Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, made a comprehensive visit to the 12th edition of the International Defence Exhibition Ideas 2024 at Karachi Expo Centre. This event showcases latest advancements in defence and aerospace technology, attracting both diverse array national and international audience. The visit of the Chief of the Air Staff underscored the importance of technological collaboration and innovation in enhancing national defence capabilities. During his visit, Air Chief visited various stalls within the National Aerospace Science and Technology Park Pavilion, which is prominently showcasing cutting-edge technologies in space, cyber, artificial intelligence, electronic warfare, aerospace designing, sensors and simulators domains. Engaging in detailed discussions with national partners on the crucial role of technological collaboration, emphasizing the transformation of promising startups into small and medium enterprises. He underscored the need for fostering a robust ecosystem that encourages venture capitalism to drive innovation and growth in the aerospace sector. Chief of the Air Staff highlighted the importance of exploring opportunities for nurturing emerging talent and enhancing the capabilities of local industries through National Incubation Center for Aerospace Technology. The Air Chief also interacted with foreign delegates, where discussions were focused on exploring avenues for the sale and purchase of indigenously developed aerospace equipment, promoting a self-reliant defence industry. Speaking at the occasion, Chief of the Air Staff encouraged the establishment of a defence industry framework aimed at identifying and bridging existing gaps in the aerospace sector. He emphasized on fostering both national and international collaboration to synergize the technological roadmap, ensuring that Pakistan remains at the forefront of aerospace innovation. The participation of the Pakistan Air Force at Ideas 2024 to exhibit state-of-the-art niche technologies underscores the commitment of PF leadership to technological achievements through National Aerospace Science and Technology Park, which has transformed into an icon of indigenization efforts in defence technologies and national development, fostering partnerships that ensure the security and sovereignty of Pakistan.